Ever had that frustrating moment when you're trying to make a crucial call, only to hear a busy signal? It's a common annoyance, but what if you're using Ooma? Is there a limit to how many calls you can make? Let's dive into that. Imagine you're in the middle of a business deal trying to close a major contract. You've got everything lined up, but when you pick up the phone to make the final call, you hear a busy signal. It's a nightmare scenario, and it begs the question, is your phone service failing you? Ooma has gained popularity as a VoIP voice over internet protocol service, offering affordable and feature-rich phone plans. But with the growing number of users and the increasing reliance on digital communication, the question of call limits has become a pressing concern. Addressing the myth. So, let's cut to the chase. Is there a call limit on Ooma? The short answer is no. Ooma doesn't impose any hard limits on the number of calls you can make. You can call as much as you need, whether it's for personal or business use. Factors affecting call quality. However, while there's no strict call limit, there are factors that can affect the quality of your calls. These include internet connection. A stable and high-speed internet connection is crucial for clear and uninterrupted calls. A slow or unreliable connection can lead to dropped calls or poor audio quality. Ooma equipment. The quality of your Ooma equipment, such as the adapter and phone, can also impact call quality. Using outdated or damaged equipment may result in issues. Network congestion. During peak hours or in areas with high network traffic, you may experience call quality issues. Understanding Ooma's fair use policy. While Ooma doesn't have a hard call limit, it does have a fair use policy. This policy is designed to prevent abuse of the service and ensure that all users have a positive experience. While the exact details of the fair use policy may vary, it generally prohibits excessive calling or spamming. Real-world examples. To better understand how Ooma's fair use policy works, let's consider some real-world examples. Excessive calling. If you're making thousands of calls per day or engaging in spam activities, Ooma may take action to address the issue. Reseller abuse. Ooma doesn't allow users to resell their service to others. If you're caught reselling Ooma, your account may be terminated. Tips for optimal call quality. To ensure the best possible call quality on Ooma, here are some tips. Prioritize internet connection. Invest in a reliable and high-speed internet plan. Use quality equipment. Ensure that your Ooma equipment is up to date and in good working condition. Avoid peak hours. If possible, try to make calls during off-peak hours to minimize network congestion. Monitor your usage. Keep an eye on your call usage to ensure you're within Ooma's fair use guidelines. So there you have it. While Ooma doesn't impose a hard call limit, it's important to be aware of factors that can affect call quality and to adhere to Ooma's fair use policy. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy reliable and high-quality phone service from Ooma. Sound of a phone ringing, then a clear connection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.